this is Sherry from Rinpic Packaging. Welcome to my channel.
What stickers can be made? Today I'm gonna show you some regular stickers that we made. First, special shade stickers. There are some different patterns on one stickers and all patterns are in different shades. Mostly these stickers are made for children. Second, white security stickers. This sticker is special. When you remove the sticker from the paper, then the wall white will leave on the paper. By the way, if you want to make the stickers with your design, it can be made too. We can make a sticker which will leave the patterns which you want. Third, metallic stickers. These stickers are commonly used in different products. The surface of the stickers are metallic which can attract the customer to view the information on the stickers in your product. Here are some samples for the other stickers. Please check them.
Thanks for watching. Please don't be shy. Free to contribute.